San Diego County could be the first in the country to declare misinformation a public health crisis.
The Board of Supervisors are meeting right now to discuss that policy. Our Jeff McAdam, he joins us live from the county building with that story. Jeff?
Hi guys, yes, Supervisor Nathan Fletcher says when it comes to COVID, he's heard a lot of different things from a lot of different San Diegans, and he says some of it is simply not true, and he says it's a real detriment to our county. He wants to do something about it. He pointed out this disinformation is leading people to consider things like medicine for horses instead of safe and FDA-approved vaccines, which he says is, quote, unbelievable. He said, I feel bad for so many people who fall victim to misinformation. He went on to say yesterday, it's just ridiculous how much misinformation is out there. So he wants to form a campaign that'll directly address things that are not in line with FDA and CDC standards. He wants to get that information out to communities throughout the county. He needs the board to sign off on it today to make it happen. But there's a number of people who have shown up here today in protest. They're protesting a number of things, masks. They're also protesting or questioning really who is Supervisor Fletcher to say what is true and what's not.
And we're learning every day something new, so they can't say, oh, this is real, this is true. So the Bill 19, Nathan Fletcher want to put like he's the owner of the truth, and he's not.
I think if they really want people to be persuaded, debate. Don't tell us what's true and what's not. Let's have debate. Let's stop cutting people off of social media just because they have a different opinion. Just stop it, because people see through it.
Yeah, it's certainly a topic that a lot of people are fired up on. It's the last thing on the agenda here today. It just got started, arguments to be considered. And Supervisor Fletcher's spokesperson says they expect to hear from about 800 people inside who want to weigh in and give their thoughts before the board makes its decision. We'll let you know what they decide if we even find out by 4 o'clock. 800 people is a lot of people to listen to, guys. But we'll bring you the latest when we see you at 4 o'clock. We'll send it back to you.
All right, Jeff, thank you for that.